All right, Doug Johnson here with Excel Edit, just here to teach you a little bit about the SUMIF function and the power that it has. It's a pretty simple function to operate, but can create some powerful tools for you when you're manipulating and managing data within Excel. So here we just have a simple example of how the SUMIF function can help you. Let's say that you export some sales data from your accounting software or ERP system here that has all the sales for the year. It has the date that it happened, the sales rep, and the sales amount. So what you want to do is calculate the amount of sales that each sales rep had throughout the year. The SUMIF function can do this for you pretty easily instead of having to go through and add up all of these individually. So for example, for John, if we come here, we type in SUMIF, and then we highlight the range that we want to base our criteria off of. In this case, we want to base our criteria off of the sales rep. So we'll go ahead and highlight that range. We'll put an absolute value around it so that it won't change if we copy it down. And then we can type in our criteria like this, and make sure you put parentheses around it if you do it this way. Or what I like to do is simply put a relative reference on the actual name in the adjacent cell there. So if we just highlight that there, then it will look up, the SUMIF function will look up John within this range, and anytime it sees that, it will sum the range that we enter here in the function. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're looking for the sales amount, so we'll highlight that range, put an absolute value around that as well, and then we'll close off the function and hit enter. And as you can see, it sums all of the amounts. Every time John pops up here, and it will sum that amount to the next amount. So as you can see, we can copy this down. You can see that Lucas outperformed everyone this year, and you had total sales of 317. This is just a simple example of how the SUMIF function can help you, but it is a powerful and simple function within Excel.